and, you know, all of that stuff. Also, listen to this. Yeah! Yeet! Both echoes. I think my first step here is going to be to make a way to mount this. Even though it's a small piece, everything else is going to be determined by where this goes. Committed. Do is cut a little slice out underneath, and then these, I won't cut there, I'll bend there, and then I'll bend those tabs down so the whole thing sits down farther, and then I'll use that surface to bolt this to. We'll see. I'm figuring it out as I go. That fits quite nicely there, and look at this. It's pretty much perfectly flush, give or take a half a degree of angle with the bottom of the boat. So that's perfect. Check it out, I'm gonna mark my holes for these bolts. Good thing I've been practicing my aluminum welding with all the gas tanks I've been building lately, because I'm gonna do a lot of aluminum welding on this. I probably shouldn't be saying anything because I'll jinx myself, you know, for believing that sort of thing, but so far this is going way easier than I thought it would. This bit here, which goes on the bottom where the intake is for the water to come into the impeller, that can fit underneath the engine here and still be flush with the bottom of the boat. So that's good news.
Dude, you're going hard right now. What are these things?
Those are parts of it. Those came with the hole and everything. So
damn,
they just go.
That's crazy. It fits the mounts like almost.
Oh wow, that is so much space. Look at that. You can even like put your feet almost straight out. This is minty. Okay, so actually, we've got plenty of space. Yeah, the engine can come forward a couple inches. I just want to make sure I have space behind between the engine and the impeller to have like enough room for this.
Finally spring, rushing out the Ethans, the electric dirt bikes, obviously. And we use the Jackery every day legitimately. I even charge my electric bikes on the way here without it even being plugged into the solar panels. The capacity is insane. And this is only the 1500. So coming up is the biggest announcement from Jackery.
Live streaming on Jackery Day, which is May 12th, 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Don't miss it. They're gonna drop some crazy new product.
And they said this is huge. So big by the emails they're sending us, I think it might be powerful enough to charge the Tesla. This is already 4 100-watt panels. And this thing is so powerful it can charge the new bike that charges continuous over 1 kilowatt. This isn't even that bright of a day. We have a little bit of cloud coverage. Input is 280 watts and the output is only 250 while we're charging the bike. is pretty good stuff. So Jackery Day is coming soon. Don't miss it. It's gonna be their biggest release of the year. I'm really excited to see what it is. Even we don't get to know, so you know we'll be tuning in. The site is in our description below. We love Jackery. Check it out.
There's no more snow, so it is premium sending time. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing running and driving in no time.
It'll probably, yeah.
We need like an off-road creeper.
Yeah.
Oh, hello there.
Howdy, howdy.
Me, I'm just hiding under my boat. Gotta have earplugs in here. You just like touch this thing and it's deafening. I decided that my plan of cutting and folding and bending this was stupid after I did it. So I'm gonna just cut this edge off a little cleaner and a little farther out so it lines up with this edge, and then I'll flip it over and weld on new pieces on the inside. It'll just be easier and better in every way. I am still gonna keep this piece angled down there, at least for the moment, just because it helps locate that. I'm just guessing here, but I'm thinking it'll probably handle better if I make plates that fill in this corner here from like here to there.
Good, we got everything back together. CV axles in, we just gotta put this.
Now that I got that hole cut out, it's time to flip it over and start building the part that makes it so you can't see my face through there. Minty. This side of it. There we go. This thing is so light. Yeah? Or is that a no? I can't tell. I think this is where the bulkhead, or whatever you want to call it, firewall, whatever this is gonna go. And I didn't realize that it has a slope to it, which makes sense. So there's more space than I thought. I mean, look at this. This is like, you could take a nap in here. This is downright cozy. My next thing that I have to figure out is exactly how far forward the engine's gonna go, or how far back, whichever way you want to look at it. And then I have to figure out, I have to shorten my drive shaft because I can't really mount the engine until I can actually connect it to the drive shaft, you know, semi-accurately.
Here, I got you.
Obviously that's not plausible, and there's no reason to. But I've got it all hooked up with the full-length drive shaft in there just to kind of look at it and see what I can get away with. My main concern here is just like this plate, this bearing plate can move. It can move right up to this surface, which helps because then I can push it back, you know, that much. But it needs a lot more than that. And beyond that, I don't really know how far back I can push this without like massively impacting the flow of water, you know, coming into this. It's something I've never worked on, so I don't really know. I mean, at the end of the day, I think I'm just gonna put it, you know, where it needs to be, which is gonna be, I think, somewhere in there to be able to stuff the engine in and, you know, hope for the best.
So fun! Oh my gosh, I forgot how fun this thing is. Got a full tank of gas too. Imagine all the fun we can have with it. Wow!
had more fun in your life.
No.
Will, we could see you smiling through the rainstorm of dirt. No, tornado.
Yeah, you guys look trash.
Dude,
I'm not as bad as Steven. I was.
I'm
just
glad I
roller
wore
building,
my
but-
nice shirt today.
That's your nice one?
No, it's not. I don't have a nice shirt.
You got the bangers, dude.
I got the bangers. This is why I got so covered in dust. It looks nice now. We got the dirt.
Yeah.
We redid the dirt. It's like a circle pit.
Grind Hard Rototilling Company.
Dude, I have been thinking about doing a small circle track down by the creek.
That would be
Just
so much
just
fun.
basic, really smooth, just for like, we wouldn't tear it up with big knobby tires, just put
Yeah.
slicks on the go-karts.
It's always so hard to see behind you when
I know,
you're
I
wearing
can't see
racing.
anything.
When you're wearing a racing harness and a seat, you can't really look over your shoulder. Plus, we have a roll cage with a spare tire back there, so you can't even use the mirror. That looks spooky.
Yeah, so I hit it like 4 times earlier and it was really smooth. And then I put it into 4-wheel drive to go down in the muddy bits. Turns out it handles completely differently in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, you were kind of indoing.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. That jump is a 2-wheel drive jump.
Noted.
But you should go over to the hill climb jump real
All right.
quick. That was fun.
This is the coolest thing ever.
This thing's by far my favorite thing here, I think, besides Sendy. Sendy and this thing. We need to put Sendy in the trunk and then
Go somewhere cool.
just go somewhere awesome.
The Gambler, dude.
Yeah.
Ethan and I can drive the Ranger and you can just drive this whole thing.
Yeah, dude. Let's go. Let's go.
Will's doing some TLC on the BMW. We're just braking axles like crazy. But this is a really good use case of the Jackery. You could just bring it wherever you want, even up in the middle of the field here. Our rigs are always dying, and then you could just put it on the tender for days. This thing will last, even without the solar panel. Nice.